always an oddball. But it's good. It's good money into it though.
Yeah.
About ready? All right, put those gloves on. Let's see, make sure you got. Yeah. That's because of the sun that's shining behind you. Yeah. So stand over here, get about right up in here. Yeah. All right. So when you hold it, we're gonna be holding it kind of like this. I'm gonna guide you though, but that's how I want you to hold it. Yeah, both your hands. There you go. The goal is with this, you gotta have more of a you gotta have more of a 90 and more of a 15, so you can see. You gotta go this way. And this is like a crayon, so as we press down, it's disappearing like this. So you gotta keep that in mind. So you're gonna be going down and back at the same time. So there's a couple things that we're doing. If you get relaxed, let me help you run right here. Just get relaxed. Let me run the first and you let me get it. You see how a little bit of we was going, you was kind of swaying a little bit. Cause you gotta get your balance, you know what I mean? I kind of felt kind of. We'll try one more time. We'll do one more. One bad, man. Come check him out. One bad at all. All right, come on, let's start here. All right. So the goal is we're gonna strike here, and then we're gonna drag it down there.
Stop.
What you think about it, man? I think you'll be all right in it.
Yeah.
You got a steady hand. I think you'll be all right. You check it out. Like I said, man, the program ain't number 16 weeks. Game changer, and we guarantee it. Like if you finish the program, you come and do what you gotta do. We guaranteeing you jobs. So we got like 3 or 4 different partners. So if you're familiar with Lexicon,
Yeah.
we got them as a partner. So we got Lexicon, we got AFCO, and Wells Fargo.
Okay.
So we got a few different options. So it's all based on the individual. And
So
right
they
now,
funnel them straight on in.
funnel straight on in. Yeah, right now, one of my students is actually he did the stick welding. And out of everybody, he wanted to go outside. He made the most. He started out at $25 an hour. So he was better, you know what I mean? But it all depends on what you want to do. Because, outside going to get paid more than inside.
Right.
But it all depends on how good you are. You know what I mean? How, the type of work that you put down there. Man, I'm telling you, there's a lot of opportunities here right now in Little Rock, like literally. People sleeping on. Yeah, for real. People sleeping on. It's a lot of opportunities, especially with this welding. And it ain't going nowhere.
Right.
So you can literally build a career or family around this. Like literally.
They always gonna build something.
Yeah. It ain't going nowhere.
That's
It
what's
ain't
up.
going nowhere, man. Like, for real.
Oh man, appreciate you, man.
Yeah, man.
Like different.
Yeah, remember where I'm at, man. Y'all ever get a chance, come down there, man.
Yeah.
Come check it
We
out.
got to graduate, so we trying to figure out some things,
Oh, that right there be the best thing for you, man, because you ain't got to
Graduate
spend a
this year.
whole lot. Because literally, you think, why you still figuring out? If you do want to go to college, ain't nothing wrong with it, but you got 16 weeks, fam. You can finish this and be making good money. While you figure something else out, while you going to college, you can be getting a bag. You know what I'm saying? You can be getting a serious bag. You know what I mean? So while everybody doing what they doing, you can be driving on it what you got in the year. You know what I'm saying? Like I told the other youngsters, I said, man, you just got a high school, fam. Go for broke. You ain't got nothing. Staying with mama, act like you ain't got nothing, fam. You making this good money now. And just in a year time, think about where you want to go. You're going to have a bag full of money and just say, hey, okay.
Many options.
So many options.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem, fam. No problem, fam.